Hey, what's up, Steeler XLM holder? What's going on? And this is warning video for all Steeler XLM holders. So try to understand what I tell you, my brother. Otherwise, you are completely and the lost now. So be safe from the lost and watch this video completely. Holders of Steeler XLM. Steeler XLM is completely fails down from last I think 1 month ago, my brothers, to this coin is completely fails down. So definitely a lot of holder ask me to what we do sell, hold or buy. So in this video I make specially for new holder, but definitely if you are all holder and you cannot take any decision, so watch this video. I hope at the end you absolutely better understand now. But please, this is not a financial video. Research personally before you take any decision, but I just advise you, I will just give you advice now, my brother. So this time, as you can see, my brother, the Steeler XLM is fails down from last 7 days, and definitely they are the chat occur also, my friend, negative now. So minus 17.05%. the price is fails down, but definitely after June 22, all currencies is moving upward now and take a very huge jump now. So I'm so happy to see this. But definitely if they're starting moving upward now, so don't see this short jump, because after a jump they also fails down. And remember, this is not a short fails, my friend, absolutely this is not a short fail. But I hope, my friend, after this fails they also take a very huge jump now, because at the end of month every cryptocurrency will starting moving upward now. So I know to upcoming time they will also move upward now. Let's see to what they do. Steeler XLM holder, my prediction is totally gonna be positive now. I hope at the end of month they will give you a profit if you hold it. So hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the end of month. I hope they will give you a profit. Like videos, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.